Hi, my amazing planner friends. It's just for my magical planner. I just started to do my planning for the week of March 25th through the 31st in my Hobonichi cousin using this Coffee Monster kit called Self-Care and realized that my camera wasn't recording. So all I've done so far is I took the little headers and put them across the top because I think that's pretty cute. And now I'm going to take these kind of mood trackers and I'm going to put them down here across. So it's kind of using them both to add the separations that I like for the area. Plus it'll be a good reminder to kind of track all of these. She makes some, oh, that's a little crooked. Hold on. She makes some really cute mood trackers, like the little emoji faces are just adorable. So this week is going to be so quiet. The kids are on spring break this week and we're not really going anywhere. Like I asked them, they were like, no, we'd actually rather just stay home, which is fine. I mean, life is honestly so busy on a day-to-day basis around here that I totally get the want to just be home and not go anywhere. So that's what they've asked for. Like, we had a bunch of different options. The other thing is that oh, interesting, there's one more mood tracker than there is days. The other thing is that the college kids and the high school, middle school kids, their spring breaks don't align, so that makes it harder as well. So I just decided, we're not going to worry about it and we'll just hang out. We're going to try and do some fun things around the house and that kind of thing. And I think it gives me the perfect opportunity to use this kind of chill week stickers. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just, so there's not quite enough full boxes I think for the whole week, but instead of doing my double box on the weekend, I'm thinking I'm gonna do it here where we have one side on this side and the other on this side. I think that'll be cute. And then maybe this guy up here. Everybody's just kind of chilling today. And then do the bath guy maybe later in the week. Over here. And that leaves the mailbox guy, which maybe I'll put up here. Okay. And then I don't really feel like it's a busy bee type of week. However, there is this little guy, so we're going to put this down here at the bottom. And I think I'm going to use this to track sleep this week. And then I think there were some habit trackers, weren't there? Maybe not. Okay, that's fine. And there's this week's script, so we'll put that over here. That way I can do any general to-dos that I need to get done this week. And there. As far as appointments go, I had one this morning. I had to go see the doctor. So I want purple and purple. No, actually. Hold on. Let's do the blue one instead. So that was right at 9 this morning. Because I am a little late getting this put together. But I think that's all I have for today. So I am going to put in a little to-do down here below that because we're going to do some house cleaning. And then down here I can put meals. And then, where's my phone? It is also my mother's birthday today. I just texted her to wish her happy birthday. Yeah, that's all for today. Tomorrow, my husband has a dentist appointment in the morning. Which is actually where I put that, so I should have put it lower. Oh well. I'm just going to put this above it and that'll be fine. Oh, I guess I should write these in, huh? This was my physical. And we're just doing some general blood work. We're going to check for rheumatoid arthritis and a couple other things and see if my iron's doing good, that kind of stuff. And then Jared has the dentist. It's so weird to like have so little to put on here, to be honest, but it's okay. So I'm going to put a to-do right in there. And then on Wednesday, I still have my therapy appointment. So yeah, I think that's all. That's like one thing a day is just crazy. I think I'm going to use one of these little bubble guys for therapy because that seems like a good idea. And I'll just write therapy in there. And then Thursday is like nothing. Friday is payday, so we can mark that. Oh, actually, let's do the big purple one here. And I will mark payday on this. Perfect. Anything else? Oh, and it's Good Friday, but that's fine. And then, other than Sunday being Easter, I don't see anything else that we have going on. So I am going to use this like little bunny guy. And I'm going to use my fountain pen to write in Easter. I don't think we're doing anything really for Easter either. I mean, we just don't have a ton going on this week, so I am gonna give myself a little to-do list here so we can decide what we want to get done. And I had one over here. We'll just kind of have one on each day, I think. Okay. Oh, I am going to put down the planner videos that I have coming out this week down here at the very bottom, I think. Maybe I'll put them here. So I'll have a video today that went up on the Pen channel. I think that was a pen mail video. And then tomorrow is a planner video, which will be new fountain pens. nothing for Wednesday. Thursday, I think it's going to be the monthly plan with me. And then Friday will be a pen video, and that is going to be mystery boxes. And then Sunday, I think, is going to be a weekly plan with me. Or a dashboard. Ooh. I'm not sure, but we'll say dashboard. Because that seems more fitting for the setup of the month. And then planning time will probably be on, well, actually, Friday morning seems like a good time to do planning. Okay. And then we're going to do a sleep down here. So we'll have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And so at the top of the scale, we'll have 10 hours. We'll do 8, 6, 4, and 2. Unfortunately, today is more like 2. So we'll put that there. But that's okay. Like, it's between 2 and 4. Because I was nervous about the physical this morning. So it is what it is. As far as general to-dos this week, write this in with the fountain pen. So we have read 1 chapter in the ADHD book I got. Pick up meds. Go through kids' books. Let's see, organize toy closet. Watch Percy Jackson with girls. We need to pick out room color for girls' room. I'm trying to think, is there anything else? There's the nightly check-ins. But other than that, oh, and I want to get videos ahead for upcoming trip. So I think that's everything there. And then I want to add in the weather. So today it says cloudy. It's 31 to 62. Wow. And then Tuesday is supposed to rain. So sad. And that's 42 to 58. Wednesday is cloudy and 32 to 46. Thursday is partially sunny. And it's 28 to 50. Okay, Friday is partially sunny. To 57. And then Saturday is cloudy and 36 to 50. And Sunday is also partially cloudy. We have no like sunny days. Like I don't see a sunny day in the foreseeable future here. But anyhow, 35 to 52. And I just remembered there's one other thing that needs to go on the to-do list over here, and it's outfit shop for weddings with girls. Because they're both going to need outfits for 2 upcoming weddings, so I figure I'll just get them. Megan wants to get like a pantsuit, and Emily wants a cute dress. So anyhow, I think that's everything for this week. It feels so empty. It's weird because everybody's out of town. But anyhow, that's everything for this week. I hope your own week is going smoothly, and until next week, I'll see you guys real soon.